How to log into Firefly account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to sign in for a student dashboard on Firefly, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. The first step is to open up a web browser and go to firefly.cloud. Once you're here, you simply want to click on the login option that you can see. Now, when you click on the drop-down menu, you can find three different options. You want to click on the very first one, which is dashboard login. Once you're here, you want to enter your email address or your Firefly user ID. Then you want to enter your password. Now, if you have forgotten your password, then you can click on the Forgot Password option, which you can see down here. If you do not have an account, you can create one by clicking on the New User option. Once you have entered all the information, click on the Login option, and this is how you can log into Firefly. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.